So to create a new sequence, you first just want to go up to File, and we're going to go New and New Sequence. And by default, this is what you're going to see. Ignore everything here. These are just the presets. We're going to go over into Settings, and this is where we can make our own sequence. So we're going to go Editing Mode, Custom. Time base is going to be the frame rate of your project. So my frame rate is going to be 25. So I'm going to select 25 frames per second. The frame size, 1920 by 1080, is a full HD video, but I'm going to go for 4K UHD, which is 3840 by 2160. Pixel aspect ratios by default should be set to square pixels, and that's what I use for all of my projects. Fields, I typically go for no fields. Display format will be 25 frames per second timecode. Then you got the audio settings. My sample rate, I'm just going to leave it at 48,000 Hertz. Display format audio samples, but you can also change that to milliseconds if you wanted to. So if you wanted to get more precise, then you would change that to milliseconds. And then video previews is when you render things out. This is the format that it's going to be playing back in. But if you're happy with that, we can press OK. And that is our sequence now created inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. It really is that quick and that simple. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped, and hopefully I'll see you on another video in the future. See you there.